Hello guys, so today we will learn how to create new levels and grids, and I'm gonna try to give you some tips to improve your workflow. So the first thing to notice is that you cannot create levels while you are on the plan, but you have to be in an elevation or a section. In fact, as you can see, this is not grayed out anymore. So you can select level, you can do one click, then you align it with the level below or above, and you click again, and that's it. So first thing to know is that once you create a level, automatically Revit creates also a plan and the ceiling plans connected to it. So you can notice that for level 1 and level 2, by default when you open a new project, there is already a level 1 plan, level 2 plan, level 1 ceiling plan, and level 2 ceiling plan. Now, what can we do with our levels? We can change their names. So for example, I can call it first floor, and notice that automatically also the name of the plan is going to change. This is because I set it like that. Usually by default, the first time that you do it, it's gonna ask you if you want to change also the name of the level of the plan, sorry, that is associated with it. Now we can change also these names. Second floor, just so you know guys, you can change it also from here. It's exactly the same. So we go with third floor. Okay. Now, if I create, for example, a wall here, I cannot create it from elevation, but I have to go on one of these levels. If I go on second floor and I create a wall, the base of this wall will be on the level of this plan. In this case, second floor. So once I create my wall, and I go back to east elevation, see, the base is here. By default, Revit decided to give it 20 feet height. So what can we expect? For sure we can expect that when we go on first floor, that it's below the level where the wall is, we're not gonna see it. And in fact, we don't see it. On second floor, of course, we see it. What about the third floor? On third floor, we keep seeing it because it's in the third floor view range. What does that mean? Look at this. If I go down here, I expect not to see. But what happens if the view range of this plan, third floor, it's different from the one that we expect to be? What do I mean? I mean that right now the view range of this level goes from the bottom of the level with no offset, so exactly the third floor, to 7 feet 6 inches above the third floor. But look at this. If I change and I give an offset, or I change the base of this plan, I will see the wall. Exactly. So that doesn't mean that the third floor plan now it's associated to the second floor level. No, it's still associated to the third floor level, but the view range changed. In fact, if now I decide to delete the second floor level, the third floor level will be still there. The third floor plan will be still there. What happens to the view range? It went back to the third floor because it doesn't find the second floor anymore. But the third floor didn't go away. Going back, what else can we see about levels and plans? We can see that if I go back to the third floor and I reset the view range, to the original wall, so third floor, there's a nice option here that allows us to see what's beyond the view range, but in a gray tone. And this is underlay. So if now I set the base level of the underlay on second floor and the top level on third floor, now I will see the wall but grayed out. So from the east, to understand this, we can say that I'm gonna do a detail line just for us to understand. I'm gonna do a dimension. I'm gonna place it at 7.6. Okay, right now this is the base of the view range of the third floor. This is the top. So I'm not supposed to see this wall. I see it because on the plan of the third floor, I said I want to see also what happens from here to here, but in a gray tone. And I did that using the underlay properties.